Hello, fellow markers. This is Jake with you. Now, before I let you jump into watching the full demonstration of the IAM conversions tool, I just want to make a quick note for you guys. Now, if you are interested in buying this product, I actually included a limited discount link as a bonus for you that you will find in the description below this video.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Ritavan Chakravarti, and on behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh, my launch partner, I want to welcome you to the demo and tour of IM Conversion. IM Conversion is an all in one click tracking and conversion suite that gives you a host of conversion tools that you can embed on your blogs and websites and sales pages and landing pages to drive conversions and drive sales for your funnels. And it's been built by marketers for marketers. And before we go to the backend, I want to give you a quick rundown of what this software has. Now, it's a constantly evolving software because we wanted to make IM Conversion the best conversion toolkit in the world. So we listen to our users, we make it better over time. We're going to add a lot more widgets and tools in the coming months. The entire system is built on several servers on the cloud, and it's got a fail-safe infrastructure, so it's going to keep running no matter what. And of course, it's super fast as well. Also, we have regular backups, so your data is not going anywhere. So that's one thing off your mind. Now, what exactly is inside IM Conversion? So we have a click tracker, which is pretty much the center of all the action. So you can create tracking links for your autoresponder campaigns, for your newsletters, for anywhere you share links for your solo ad campaigns. So basically, you can use a click tracking tool to create tracking links quite easily with advanced features like cloaking, mobile redirects, and country redirects, and also conversion tracking, as well as retargeting pixels can be embedded in these tracking codes. So a lot can be done with the click tracker, and I'll show you in just a few minutes. Also, we have several click fraud prevention algorithms, and we have all of that built in the backend. And even though the redirects happen quite fast, a lot happens in the backend that we have built in for your benefit. Also, the widgets that we have for increasing your conversions. So we have three things. We have conversion bars currently. So these are these little horizontal bars that come up floating on top of your page, and you can either redirect your users to a link of your choice or get people to opt into your list. And it's something that has been seen on blogs and landing pages for a while, and we have looked at everything and made a custom solution out of it. We also have countdown timers, which is one of the best things to increase scarcity and drive sales. So you can create countdown timers through our IM conversion panel and embed them in your emails as well as on your web pages. We also have beautiful pop-ups that you can place on your website or blogs, and we have several designs to choose from and several types of pop-ups that can be created, that can be triggered um, um, on several type of triggers. So I'll show you all of that in just a few minutes. Also, we have integrated currently with the APIs of GetResponse, Aweber, and MailChimp. We are going to be adding more services each month. Also, it's basically no code hassle. So it's all you get inside the platform, you click around, and then you have a code that you put in on your website and the widget shows up. And the best thing is that it's all real time. So I'll show you our proprietary real time technology that shows you what's happening on your account in real time. So without any further ado, let's get inside IM Conversion. All right. So this is the dashboard of IM Conversion, a quick place where you can see what's happening in your account. You can see how many active links you have, how many pop-ups, timers, and bars you have. Uh, and you also have a graph where you can see which what's basically happening in your account. So you've got timer views, pop-up views, bar views, and link clicks, and how it compares to the previous week as well. So this is a quick and easy dashboard of your account. Now you can click on manage my account to see what you can change your password. You can connect autoresponders, several autoresponders to your account. So at this moment I've connected Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse. These are my accounts that I've connected. You can connect a new account by selecting whichever account you want to connect. So for example, GetResponse, you enter the API key that GetResponse gives you, click connect, and it will be done. All right, so it's pretty easy. And So let's go to the first thing of IAM conversion, which is click tracking. Now, click tracking, this is the click tracking dashboard. So here you see a view of the total clicks that all your links have received, how many unique clicks you've got, and how many filtered clicks. Now, filtered clicks are basically filtered on the basis of our fraud algorithm. So while testing, we put a lot of load testers into the system for a few of our tracking links. So that's why you see a high number right here. To create a new tracking link, you just click on create new tracking link, and you can give your link a name. So for example, my link, and you can put a URL. So for example, my blog, the URL you want the link to redirect to. You can add it to a group. If you want to add a new group, you can do that. I'll just leave it to all my links for now. Now we have got two tracking domains for now, clcks.co and clcks.in, and you can choose any one of these and add a custom placeholder. So for example, Ritaban. Okay, so it's available. So I'll see the advanced options. So you've got cloaking, mobile visitor redirect, country specific redirect. So you've got track conversions as well. You can put in a conversion value and we'll track it for you. We've got country specific redirect. So if you want United States visitors to go to some other link, so you can place it right here. You've got cloaking. You've got mobile visitor redirect. So if a person visits this tracking link from a mobile device, then we'll redirect to some other page of your choosing. So there's several things that you can do with the tracking click tracker right here. So once you're done, also you can also put your retargeting pixels. So if you have got Facebook, AdWords, Bing, any retargeting pixel, you can place it here, and we'll put it on your tracking link, and you can start retargeting those users straight away. So create new. So let me just switch this off. Okay. Okay, new link has been created. So as you can see, this is the new link. If I want to copy this, I can just click on copy, and this has been copied. Now, if I want to test it out, so I'll just open this up in a new tab, and here you go. I've been redirected. All right. So this is how easy it is. And now if I want to see reports for this link, all I go to is actions, view reports. So it shows me how many clicks it's got. So this is just one total click. So this is what I was talking about. It's all real time. So you see everything in real time. You can see which country your clicks come from, how many clicks you've gotten in the last few days. You can put any sorts of notes here. So for example, these are my notes. So you can save this, and I will save it for you. It'll also show you a lot of data. So this is one thing where IAM conversion stands out. We show you all sorts of data for all your clicks and visitors. So this is desktop, Chrome, and OS X, which is the one click that we just clicked on. So this is my computer. If you want to see the raw click data, you can just click here and it'll show you where that click came from. All right, it'll show you the browser, the device, and it was a desktop or a mobile, and the location as well. If you want to see the map of the person, you can see it right here. Just click on this, and that's it. Click again, it's gone. So you can see the raw click data of all your links right here. If you want to delete a link, just click on delete link and we'll delete it for you. If you want to edit a link, just click on edit, and you can again edit through all the options here and save changes. So that's it. So as you can see, it's a pretty functional click tracker with a lot of features. And so we had a hard look at all the click trackers in the market, and we removed all the unnecessary features that were not used by 95% of the people. So we have all the core features built into this click tracker that works really well. And because of all the data and analytics we give you for every click, this is a pretty standard click tracker, and you can use it for almost anything, for your ad campaigns, for your solo ads, newsletters, email promotions, blog redirects, whatever you want to do, you can use these click tracking links. All right. Now, the second thing I want to show you is pop-ups. So pop-ups, again, this is the pop-up dashboard. So you can see the total views all your pop-ups have got, the number of unique views and conversions. This list will show you all the pop-ups you have. Now, if you want to create a new pop-up, you can just click here and you can choose a theme. We currently have 5. We'll be adding more as time goes by. And so for example, let's see, I want to use, let's say this one. All right, so I'll select this. Okay, so it shows you a live preview here. So I can give my pop-up a name. Let's say Ritavan blog pop-up. Okay, this can be any name of your choosing. Your users won't be able to see this. Now this is where it gets interesting. You can select the trigger method. So if you want the pop-up to be triggered after a button click, you can select that, and you can even choose the trigger button text and the color of the button that you want. All right, or you can also have the pop-up open instantly on every page load. All right, and you can also select the frequency you want it to be displayed on. You want it to be displayed on every page load for every visitor, or once a visitor is shown the pop-up, they'll be shown it after 12 hours or 24 hours or once per week. So you can have these options that you can choose. Let's just put it instantly on page load and select the action. So you can either capture email leads. So if you select capture email leads, you can select the autoresponder account that was connected to this. So let's select get response account that I have. I can select the campaign which I want to send leads to, or you can add a new autoresponder account. So for example, get response Aweber or MailChimp. Let's just say I don't want this right now. So I'm going to go to the thank you page URL. So whenever somebody subscribes to my list, the thank you page URL I want to take them on to. So let's say I want to take them to my other product. All right, so this is all set. So this is the first step of the entire building of the pop-up. Now we go to the design area. Now this is quite cool because here you can customize pretty much everything. So the ribbon that you see right here, you can either hide or show it. All right, and you can change the color as well. So for example, if you want a blue or a green or the orange one. All right, now the above headline you want to show or hide again. All right, the headline you want to show or hide. Now you can show or hide pretty much anything. You can change the button color if you want. So for example, as you can see, I'm clicking through and you can see the button color being changed. So let's just keep it for green for now, and the disclaimer, let's just hide the disclaimer for now. All right, and you can edit pretty much anything right here. So for example, let's see if you want to edit this. So we place it instead of free webinar, we want free video. All right, join us. Let's just say enter your email address to watch the free video. Let's just say this is a cool headline. So as you can see, you can just click here and keep editing. All right, and all right, and you can edit anything. You can even edit the button text. You can say watch video. All right, that's it. So once you made all these changes and you're happy with the way the pop-up looks like, then you can go to the settings tab again and click on save changes. All right, once you've done, it'll show you the embed code that you need to place. So this is the one small code that you need to place on your website to start displaying the pop-up. So even if you're on WordPress, you can just place it in the theme editor, and I'll show you that in just a while once we have created all the other widgets as well. Okay, so let's just close it for now. Let's go back to the pop-up dashboard. Now let me go to the timers area. All right, so if you want to see create a new countdown timer, you can just click on create new countdown timer right here. You can see your current countdown timers, and it'll show you everything like how many people visited, unique and raw. Okay, so let's just click on create new countdown timer. All right, so let me just give my this timer a name, my cool timer. So you can either display this timer on your emails or on website. So let me show you the website display one. So you can select a specific date or a timed countdown. Let's just say it's a specific date. All right, and now you can choose which date and time you wanted to show the countdown to last up to. So let's just say it's till 15th March 5:10 a.m. and the time zone, let's just say it's EST. If we can even change the time zone, let's just say it's 16th 5 a.m. okay, and the time zone is, let's just say, GMT. So it will show you based on the time zone. You can change the text color of this timer. So for example, let's just say we want it okay, we want it red, and the background color we want it, let's just say, yellow. I don't know how it'll look like. Okay, looks pretty fancy. And you can even choose the size of the countdown timer. So for example, it's large, medium, or small. So the size will change right here, and you can see whatever changes are happening. Let's just put it at large right now. Okay, and let's just click on create new timer. All right, timer has been saved. Again, it will show you the embed code that you need to place wherever you want this timer to show. All right, so let me just close this for now. Okay, so if you want to create a conversion bar, so just click on conversion bars, and then you'll see the bars that you have currently and the graph of the last few days of the number of views you've got. Okay, and you can also see the total views, unique, and conversions that you've got. So I was testing out a bar and on my blog and for a few days, and this is what happened. So if you want to create a new conversion bar, just click on this, and you can see the conversion bar preview right here. You can give your bar a name. You can put a headline. So for example, this is my cool headline. All right, you can have the button text to whatever you want. So for example, click here now. Okay, you can change the text color, you can change the bar color, you can change the button color. So let's just put it like a solid green right now. The button color to, let's just say okay, white is cool, and the text color to, okay, let's just place the button color to something like okay, this is fine, and the text color to white. Okay, this looks good. Now also you can have an overlay message. So basically it shows a dark overlay on top of your page where you paste this code, and it basically prompts people to opt in. So it can be something like, hello, click on the link here, or hello, download my free book, or whatever you want as a message here. You can also have the action. Again, you can either redirect people to a URL where when they click on this button, or you can have them opt into your email list. So for example, once you click that, it'll show you the email address field here. You can again select the autoresponder account, pretty much the same thing that we had seen earlier. Let's just put it to redirect to URL right now. Okay, and place the URL as emailinstruments.com again. Okay, once we have made all these changes, so my bar one, let's just say this is the bar. Oh, this is required, so hello, click here. Say this is it. Okay, create new bar, and that's it. Again, it shows the code that you can paste on your page where you want this bar to be displayed. Okay, now let's go back to the bar dashboard, and you can see all my bar has come up right here. The pop-up that we created has come up right here. All right, so whatever we have created, it's all come up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the code that was given to me. So I can see the embed code right here, and I can paste it on my blog. So I'll just copy this code. So this is my blog right now. Okay, I'm going to just go to the bottom of the footer.php template inside the WordPress, and I'm going to remove this for now. I'm going to place this code right here. Okay, next I'm also going to place the bar that we had just created. Okay, I'm going to click on embed code. I'm going to paste this as well. So once I click on update file, I am going to make sure that this is updated in real time. All right, now I'm going to just refresh rhythmon.com to check what just happened. And as you can see, this is on rhythmon.com. You can see the pop-up that has come up as we had made it, and the horizontal bar as well. So if I click on this link right here, it should take me to emailinstruments.com, and it does. Now if I go to editing of the theme again inside my WordPress, and I remove the pop-up code, okay, so it should just show me the horizontal bar right now. So for example, I'll just open this up again, and here you go, it shows me the horizontal bar. So I've refreshed this. Let me just refresh this to see if it's showing up correctly. All right, it's showing fine. Now I want to show you another thing called editing. So the cool part is if you go to bars, let's just say, and if you edit this bar, okay, So as you can see, it already shows you that a conversion happened because we clicked on that button and we visited it twice. So let me just click on the edit bar button here. Okay. So if I can change pretty much anything. So let's just say I want to change it to, this is my cool headline and I like it. Okay. And next we want to change this to click here. Okay. We want to change the bar color to something like, let's just say a little more orangey. Okay, this is cool. All right, now I want to change the button color to, let's just say, black. All right, here we go. And let me just save changes. All right. We can even change the entire format, the action as well. So if you want to start capturing email addresses with the same this thing, so let me just select this and show you how this works. Okay, so I've selected the autoresponder account and the campaign inside the autoresponder account. So let me just enter the thank you URL where people will go after submitting. So this does not need to be changed. So it will just show you as a redundancy. So you can just close this. We don't need to change the code because if you just hit refresh right now on rhythmon.com, it should show you the updated. So as you can see, as we had changed it, we didn't even need to change the code. So you can keep editing and keep changing any your settings right inside here, and it will show up live on your website without your need to go inside and change the code every time. So we go to back to the bar dashboard. So I want to show you something really cool called real time. All right. So with real time, the way it works is, so if we go to click tracking, so we remember we had created a tracking link. So this is the one. So we copy this. So if you open this up, it will open up rhythmon.com again, but this time I want to do it with real time on. So once real time is on, so it'll show you real time activity is live. All you need to do is just click this here, and so it will show you what's happening inside your account right now. So if we open up a new tab and paste this link clcks.co/Rithoban, so it will take me to rhythmon.com. All right, and it will also show me link clicks and Barbie. So basically I opened it up in two tabs, so that's why it's showing up two. So it will show you what's happening in your account right now live, so you don't even need to refresh the page. So this is really cool. It's our new technology that we are still working with and making it better and better every day. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this IAM conversion. So you've got all these other cool things like you've got tracking links, pop-ups, timers, bars, and more being added every day. So there are a lot of things that we want to keep adding to this and keep making better. We want to add more themes to pop-ups and add more autoresponder services integration. So we'll be adding more up until launch date, and so that we have one of the best conversion toolkits in the world, and we'll keep on making it better, keep adding more tools.